Hello students, how are you all? Welcome in the history class of 6th standard. Take out your book of history and civics. Today we are going to revise lesson number 1, the River Valley Civilization. Under this lesson, we will read the topics such as introduction, meaning of civilization, favorable features that led to the development of civilization, reasons for settlement near rivers, major river valley civilizations. Students, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to know the meaning of civilization and you will also know the reasons for settlement near rivers. Students, in today's class, we will discuss the introduction of this lesson and meaning of civilization. So children, before we start our today's lesson, I would like to discuss its important terms with you. Number 1. Civilization. Civilization is a stage of human social development. Number 2nd term is Neolithic. The later part of Stone Age when farm animals were first domesticated and agriculture was introduced. Now, let's start reading of the lesson. A civilization was termed as advanced culture in contrast to primitive cultures. It is generally characterized by urban development, social stratification, and symbolic communication forms, particularly writing systems. Primitive means relating to an early stage, and social stratification means division of society. So, students, what is civilization? Civilization is the stage of human social development. Civilization means modern and well-developed culture in comparison to early stage. The early men of Stone Age were nomads. Nomads were the people who moved from one place to another in search of food. Civilization is characterized by urban development. Students, you read about the town planning of Indus Valley civilization. Their town planning proves that they lived in the highly civilized and developed society. Social stratification is a division of society into permanent groups and categories which are linked with each other. And you also read earlier about the writing system of the Indus Valley civilization, the Mesopotamian civilization, and the Chinese civilization, that their script was pictographic but still remains undeciphered. Let's read further. Civilization is a progressive phenomena which leads to specialization in every walk of life. A civilized society has its own social, political, and economic structure. Civilization has an upward trend and leads from simple to complex. Specialization of labor is the hallmark of civilization. So, students, phenomena means a fact and hallmark means a distinctive feature. Students, it is fact that civilization developed in stages. A civilized society is divided into social, political, and economic structure. Social structure of the River Valley civilization was primarily based on occupations and divided into 4 main groups such as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Agriculture and domestication of animals were backbone of economy. Besides agriculture and domestication of animals, people were indulged in the different kinds of occupations. This is known as specialization of labor, which is an unique feature of civilization. Specialization of labor refers to the separation of tasks in an economic system. Civilization changes society from simple to complex. Let's read next paragraph. The Mesopotamian civilization is one of the earliest civilizations. Civilization is like a ladder comprising steps such as the invention of wheel, agriculture, the development of script, mathematics, astronomy, means of communication and transportation, craft work, technology, etc. So students, which civilization is one of the earliest civilizations? The Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization grew up on the banks of river Tigris and Euphrates. Students, you read about the Mesopotamian civilization in the previous classes. Students, civilization developed with some steps like invention of wheel, introduction of agriculture, development of script. Script means form of writing. Astronomy. Astronomy is the branch of science that deals with the physical universe as a whole. Means of communication and transportation, craftwork, and technology. Children, the people of Indus Valley are believed to be amongst the first to develop a system of uniform weights and measures. In brief, we can say that the process of civilization refers to a society developing into a centralized, urbanized, and stratified structures. So, students, a civilization is characterized by a centralized, urbanized, and stratified structures. Under the centralized civilization, the king was the head of the state. Next came the wealthy landholders, priests, government officials, army officers. Next came the middle class, merchants and artisans. Next came the peasant, farmers and laborers. And at the bottom of the centralized civilization were the slaves. So students, these are the features of a civilization. Now let's read further. The concept of civilization. Meaning of civilization. Civilization is the stage of human social development. So students, mark this line. This is the definition of civilization which we have read earlier. It is the process by which a society reaches the stage of development in a particular area. It also impacts way of life in different ways. Impact means the effect of one person, thing or action on another. So students, civilization is the process of development in stages which shows effect in every field of life. The earliest civilizations came into existence around 3500 BC. The Neolithic period saw the initial development of agriculture. In the Neolithic period, farm animals were domesticated. So students, Neolithic means new stone age. Initial means existing at the beginning. So students, agriculture was introduced in the Neolithic period and animals were domesticated by the people. Only then early man started settling in the permanent houses and the civilization came into existence. Let's read further. Civilization is a stage when there was a lot of development in the field of writing, social and economic institutions, arts and sciences. So students, civilization came into existence when there was a lot of development in the field of writing. Societies developed into permanent groups and categories and people became economically more stronger. So students, in today's class we discussed about the concept of civilization and its meaning. And the rest topics we will read in the next class. Your homework is you have to reread today's topic and revise the important terms.